Hi, in this video we are going to talk about a house building problem. So for example, we have a skyscraper and we want to build it layer by layer. We can solve this problem with the help of iteration and with the help of recursion as well. But let's see the recursive approach. For example, I will have the public void build layer, and we have two layers, for example, and we have to specify that how many layers or what's the height, how many layers we want to build. Of course, if the height is equal to 0, then we return. And else, for example, we print out the height, and then we are going to call this method recursively for the height -1. And I'm going to talk a bit about the tail and head recursion, because as you may guess, it is the tail recursion. We print out the height and then we call the layer in a recursive manner. If I print it out, build layer, for example, 4. As you may guess, it should result, I'm going to run it. We build for 4, we build for 3, we build for 2, and build for 1. So it is like a basic for loop, as we have discussed in the theoretical section. This is the so-called tail recursion. What about if I use it in this manner? It is the so-called head recursion. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we are looking for, because we are starting at the first floor, then the second floor, then the third floor. So we specify that what's the height of the building, and we keep calling it recursively until we bump into the base case when we return. And then it is the head recursion, because we are going to call it, and then we are going to print it out. So as we have discussed in the theoretical section again, it is twice as low as iteration, because first of all we keep pushing the method calls onto the stack, and then after bumping into this base statement, then we keep popping the items from the stack and keep system out println the given height. So it is not so efficient as we would use iteration, but sometimes recursion is very, very efficient and very, very good. So this is how we use it for head recursion and tail recursion. As you may guess, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 for tail recursion and 4, 3, 2, 1 for head recursion. So it depends on what problem we try to solve. Thanks for watching.